Hello Huckleberries! Welcome to another vegan/vegetarian related travel video. Being a Minneapolis native myself and someone who is passionate about vegan-friendly dining, I really wanted to make a list of my top 5 picks for vegan-friendly dining while I was back home in Minneapolis recently. If you find yourself traveling to the land of 10,000 lakes, your trip would not be complete without a lakeside picnic. And no vegan picnic would be complete without stopping at the Herbivorous Butcher. This all-vegan, small-batch butcher shop located in northeast Minneapolis features handcrafted vegan meats and cheeses, from beer brats to queso dip and everything in between. The cheeses are cheesy and the meats are meaty. So this is a great option for the vegan curious and for those new vegan babes out there too. For this particular vegan picnic, we selected smoked Gouda, black pepper Havarti, turkey, and roast beef. On our way to the lake, we also stopped by my favorite place for produce, which is the Wedge Co-Op, to ensure a well-rounded picnic feast. This brother-sister duo has won lots of awards and has received plenty of well-deserved media attention, so if you'd like to learn more about them, just check out their website at theherbivousbutcher.com. Everything will be linked down below. Our next spot is bringing plant-based eating to a whole other level, and that is Dow Cafe and Herbery. Located in Uptown and in business since 1968, Dow Cafe has become a staple for simple, light fare. It's arguably the most raw-friendly spot in the city as well. Even though they're not completely vegan, they still have everything from fresh juices to hearty vegan soups, super smoothies, and a wide variety of bowls, both cooked and raw. My favorite thing to get is their detox juice. That features beets, carrots, ginger, and apple. It's detoxing, energizing, and delicious. While you wait for your food, you can shop through their adorable herbery, where they have gifts, books, food, supplements, and you guessed it, herbs. They even offer health services like Reiki, wellness coaching, and tarot readings. It is the perfect stop to make while you explore the nearby museums, shops, and lakes, all located in my favorite neighborhood of Uptown. Another one of my favorite places to explore around Minnesota would be Minnehaha Falls. It still blows my mind how vibrant the city of Minneapolis is, and yet just a few miles down the road you can be immersed in complete nature walking through all the trails of Minnehaha Park. So, once you've worked up an appetite, you have to stop at the Birchwood Cafe located in the Seward neighborhood nearby. They offer a separate vegan menu, casual yet chic atmosphere, and food that doesn't just look great, but it tastes great too. This is the perfect neighborhood joint for lunch, but they also offer breakfast and dinner too. Our next spot is cheating a little because it's not technically in Minneapolis. But no trip to Minneapolis would be complete without visiting the OG, our capital, our sister city. We're talking St. Paul. In the Summit neighborhood of St. Paul is Selbys, a relatively new plant-based eatery that I just had to include in this list. This place ticks all the boxes: brunch, lunch, happy hour, dinner, alcohol, a pleasing ambiance, friendly staff, and of course, a bomb menu for the indulgers as well as the health conscious. I stopped in to try their French onion soup, a soup I always wish I could have but couldn't until now, and I was so impressed, so I got a Beyond Burger to go. I'd recommend stopping by for an indulgent dinner after a full day exploring all that St. Paul has to offer. And the last stop on our list is for those late night munchies or easy and free delivery. We're talking Pizza Luce. Being in business since 1993 with 8 locations throughout Minneapolis and Minnesota, Pizza Luce could easily be considered a Minneapolis staple. They even have their own annual block party. With 3 vegan pizzas on menu and a build your own pizza option, and 2 vegan cheeses to choose from, Pizza Luce has got all your pizza dreams covered. But it doesn't stop there. They have everything from salads to wings to hoagies, and don't even get me started on their chocolate peanut butter bar. With 8 locations and free delivery, Pizza Luce is perfect for those lazy days at a friend's house or your hotel. And if you're not feeling lazy, each location has its own fun vibe and cool atmosphere. Make a night of it. They're open late. I know I'm calling this video a top 5 list, but PETA recently listed Minneapolis as the 4th most vegan-friendly city in the nation. So I feel inclined to list off a few other places that are near and dear to my heart that didn't quite make the cut. If you're in the mood for a hearty salad in a casual atmosphere, try French Meadow Bakery and Cafe. It's not a bad brunch spot either, offering vegan scrambles and avocado toast. Looking for something a little more upscale? Try Mill Valley Kitchen. Their menu is much smaller, so there's only a few vegan options, but know that you're going to be eating food that's cooked clean, simple, and oh so delicious. If pizza isn't doing it for you for those late night munchies, try Moto-I for some vegan ramen. I have yet to find a better vegan ramen out there, so please, if you have a good recipe, comment it down below because without Moto-I, my life is not the same. There's also Bryant-Lake Bowl, Spoon River, Namaste Cafe, the list goes on. I know I've got a few viewers from Minnesota, of course, so comment down below what your favorite veg-friendly restaurant is and why, and now I'll know where to go next time I'm in town. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little list, and I hope you enjoyed this format of video. I want to make more videos like this one, so any feedback, let me know. Otherwise, in the meantime, I hope you're all doing very well, and I look forward to seeing you all with another video. I love you so much. Peace!